I've always tried to provide you the long-needed answers, and now I'm contacting you, my darling kid. Here, you will discover the solutions that will lead to an abundance of divine love. When you emerge from the maze of issues you're dealing with, you realize that every obstacle and step of your path have purpose. Don't give in to fear, even when it seems like you're up against overwhelming obstacles. I'll carry your weight and find solace by your side, and I promise to fully comprehend this. While in peace, because I brought you into the world for a unique and honorable reason, the reason you were created by me, your everlasting Father, and the reason I adore you so much. Please, while we navigate the world of desires, let's be positive. Enter Amen and click like to share the comforting thoughts of heaven. The heavenly force that propels us on this holy journey is participation. As a chance to deepen your faith in the cosmic light, you have the ability to bless others and carry out endless acts of compassion. You have an insatiable need to believe in yourself, even if you experience recurrent storms of misfortune that have tested your faith to the limit. Despite your unshakable dedication to my lessons, your own spirit yearns for comfort whenever you're searching. Day or night, redemption and an appropriate method of restoration. I promised that the Who would save your happiness from the clutches of the agony and anguish that was purposefully allowed those difficulties to try you, and proved my unwavering love for you. Your compassionate and truth-filled heart is turning every challenge you've experienced into a source of strength and spiritual empowerment. I'm reaching out to you now and begging with you to achieve supernatural heights and seize the times when you would wake up and wander through life without a purpose, dark perspectives, and a spirit weighed down by insults and contempt. You would have believed I still thought this was better for you, but I've changed my opinion. I now believe that you should live a life of freedom and power, free from the limitations placed on other people's wishes to truly enjoy themselves. The importance of what I have to say is enormous. Can you finally resolve to trust me now? Get up and pay attention. Please, if you find yourself in this situation, get up right now and overcome with unwavering faith. If you're plagued with doubt, don't allow it to deter you. Instead, allow me to lead the way. I will protect you from those you connect with evil, even if it means you have to traverse valleys and climb mountains. Lead you through the upcoming days, months, and years, and those who conspire against you will obediently follow me. Enthusiasm, I will be by your side every step of the way during your darkest moments. I'll illuminate your path and give you energy to walk till you get at your destination. I also swear to shower you with strange locations, could be a rich source of blessings for you as they were for a lot of Odyssey spirits. I'll let you in and get your blessing when I need it. Raise you up, and you'll soar, bringing love and healing to everyone. Are not helpless. Rather, you possess strength and courage. You are not an isolated incident. Rather, my boundless love treasures, selects, and guards you going forward. Will inform you not to put me in danger, and I will reveal your significant and legitimate value to the industry. Insiders who expected your downfall will be shocked, while those who didn't see your brilliance coming will be if you decide to live by my less every day. This is a pivotal moment in your life. You should be ashamed to watch your loved one prosper. Give up wasting your infinite energy, intelligence, and capability that I have given you. It's time to rise. Quit wasting your strength on pointless endeavors and investing in individuals who don't respect you. A world of plenty is just waiting for you, and you have the guts to unlock it. Your benefits right away to avoid delays could indicate that there isn't enough time for harvesting during that season. Take advantage of the chance. Only those with sufficient caution will be able to, whenever I swing open the gates and the windows of heaven, make use of those divine blessings. Uninterested will keep sleeping because they can't deal with reality and won't hold me accountable for their circumstances. Ignoring my everyday mutterings, my will is just allow the weary to rest in me, and I will provide them with a plentiful and tranquil existence. Just as you and everyone else who genuinely loves me have every morning when I glance at my drawings, I see plans for success, abundance, and charity. Looking forward to connecting with your spirit and revealing the advantages I've planned for you as a result of your constant faith and unwavering character, which give me great joy, are proof that the love I have a deep and abiding love for you, and I promise never to let you down. Don't forget that my sporadic silence serves as a gentle reminder that good things will happen eventually. Lesson in patience. Trust that your efforts will yield outcomes that you could never have imagined. Letting go of all your anxieties in safety and tranquility, while I gently take a minute to hold your thoughts in my arms and give them the best care possible. Breathe, feel my gentle touch on your skin, and allow my love to wrap you near your eyes. Hey, as you're about to cry, please tell me everything. I'm here for you. Devoted and unshakable, take full use of this chance to grow in our relationship, even in the face of hardship. That person grows intelligent. I won't put you under any more pressure than what is required to keep you powered, so make your own decisions. Friends that respect you more for who you are than for what you own pay close attention to what I say. Created your path with such care. May you embrace each day with a heart full of joy. My love, the source of benefits from which I draw here, evaporates into solitude. Drink deeply from this spring, oblivion, and know that I'm always here for you. Keeping a close eye on your well-being, projects, and loved ones before your words ever reach my ears, everything is in perfect harmony. Take a costly break and cast your worries on me. Your prayers surround me while you hold on to the memories of those quiet times. Deep affection and appreciation for you, especially in the event that you reciprocate the favor. Just have fun in my name. I'll bless you abundantly and reveal the secret to happiness. You can also occasionally time will pass without your knowing, but my love for you won't ever allow your trust to lead it. As you move on, never forget that I am here for you at every turn, through every obstacle, and with true, unshakable support. Honesty. You observe in me if you have encountered difficulties pursuing your goals. Witness your faith grow into steadfast strength, even if it's reasonable to feel when things don't go as planned. Don't lose hope. Obstacles don't equate to failure. However, if you stay true to me, I'll bring your spirit back to life and lead you to my sacred plan. As I've said in the plan, a wonderful future is in store for you and your family. Stars, my love, I don't want to see the promises you make come true, because you should never allow yourself to be defeated by let up or allow depressive thoughts to fester, and place your trust in me and my love. Since you and your family will always protect them, they will be able to withstand life's storms and thrive, shining a light on the dark ones so that they can serve as an example to those around them. If you fully trust your Heavenly Father, He will lavishly bless you and help you quickly come to my throne. And talk to me directly. Don't feel bad about it. I'm ready. Possess the ability to pardon your transgression. What you require and desire is the purifying force of my atoning mercy. This great honor, fame, and respect bestowed upon you, your faith in my word is firm and unwavering. Regardless of what, I will never manipulate your feelings. Trust me when I declare that a pleasant future is an irrevocable fact. If things haven't gone as planned, Even if you are now having problems, you shouldn't show me exactly where your interest lies. Don't allow yourself to get too angry or nervous. Falsehoods, I'll give you the truth if you're depressed and hopeless because of disappointment. I appreciate and comprehend your strength to persevere in your unwavering faith. That even though I went through such extreme hardship that blood spurted from my forehead, you are going through emotional turmoil. Therefore I come to my seat of grace with unwavering calm down, confidence. Better times are on the horizon. In many areas your life is going to change, so continue to gaze at me even after I've finished speaking. Gently to you, pay close attention, and don't disregard my polite call once I lead you. Know how to make yourself feel my love more deeply, even when you're trying to force it. I want you to know how much I care for you even if I don't answer your prayers immediately. That you make a solemn vow to keep going despite the fact that it's obvious that there are people surrounding you. I'm waiting for you to make a mistake, STS, hoping for your fall. You're special, my dear. Beloved, no matter how much it seems like everyone is trying to hurt you and undermine your faith, no amount of derision from your unflinching attention on the holy stand firm can be broken by this world, even when they roll their eyes and wiggle at you. I've laid out a unique route for you. You, my tiny one, have prayer as a direct line of communication with me, whereas the doubters are lost in thought. Engulfed by their conceits and envy, they might ultimately come to an end that I swear, whoever lied to you will regret it when they realize how stupid they were. Only you will receive this special favor because I'm getting ready for your heart to accept it without any resistance. Does not imply that calamity has not yet occurred. Being prepared is crucial. Because succumbing to the pitfalls of success could result in arrogance, and becoming a victim of the cunning plans. Never yield or cower against those who would disparage you. Instead, be steadfast in your faith and reject the lies that endanger your health. Every day, your thoughts become more offensive, but I'll be correct. Every morning we go on a voyage through the times and nights and there to help you overcome them. Each night, we map out your path. Together, let's confront our fears and pursue our dreams together, relying on my unending love and respect, and continuing to dream in my presence your inherent value, even when you don't see your own potential. It hurts to consider that you could succeed. To succeed in spite of everything, my love for you is unending. Even in my weakness, I can always be there for you. My brave fighters are the recipients of this letter. Have stated it numerous times, so trust me when I say that my warriors who are willing to believe me when I say that they can go past their beginnings and create amazing opportunities, then please do not allow your age, level of fitness, or financial circumstances to be dismissed. You are my instrument of choice, and I am preparing you to succeed in times of uncertainty by steadfastly adhering to the desire stated in my guarantees, and have total confidence that I can fulfill my sacred mission in your life by receiving from you your immense strength, unwavering faith, and unrivaled bravery may be granted to you at this moment. Put a stop to being put off by financial issues. I can understand the scope of your issues before you do, whether they have to do with your health or family. If you hear my plea to persevere, hold fast, and never give up, I will make it possible for you to ride out turbulent waves, cross dangerous waters, and emerge victorious no matter how. I'm always thinking of you, my comrade, and I hope horrible things bring you happiness and prosperity. And dear, I am growing stronger in my commitment to confront the enemy head-on with unflinching faith. Growing ever more confident every day that I can arrive even if you don't notice when the time comes. Take note of or give attention to me in the midst of heated arguments and urgent needs. Your unwavering attitude toward opponents, regardless of how long or dangerous they are on, will astound them. On this auspicious day, I bestow upon you a holy weapon that, whenever you speak, will convey the might of my name. Declare and commit to it. Your steadfast confidence and self-assurance will guide the path, and my energy will give you the strength to confront your fears head-on. You are my brave fighter, and I hold you with tenderness. Walking hand in hand with the people you love most, such as your family, children, and relatives, walk bravely today, filled with unwavering faith and hope as I pour forth my soul to you in kindness and love, sharing with you all of my hopes and ambitions as we stand at the entryway of your blessings, as they might be sincere, pure, and long-lasting. I agree with the facts that I carry. My love for you is deeper than the universe can ever be. Gifted with protection and cherished blessings that are always within my affection's grasp, even when you feel insignificant or straying on depressing days. It could feel like even if you're on your own and facing a difficult struggle, know that my love is there to support, nurture, and mentor you in ways that every time the sun rises, my energy is the soft warmth of the light on your face. Keeps your head up knowing that my love is by your side and that everything around you is advantageous. You are my cherished children, and nothing can hurt you or make you need anything.